Today, we're talking about PNC. PNC is a large bank, but a lot of people don't know about them. They are geo-restricted, so make sure to check if they're in your state before doing anything. PNC is very relationship-focused and treats their customers, including businesses, very well, if you build a relationship with them first. I would recommend going in person to open a business bank account instead of doing it online. Make sure to bring all your documents, like your ID, paperwork, articles of organization, and IN number. Make sure your website is up, and have a business telephone line that's not your cell phone. This will help you set things up correctly from the start. Banks are getting smart and can tell if you're running your business from a basement or from a more legitimate place. That said, it doesn't mean you can't run a business from home. I run mine from home. Just make sure you're prepared. If they ask you questions, make sure you know what your business does and have an idea of how much it's making. You don't need documents to prove your earnings, but you should know the answers so they don't catch you off guard. After opening your business account, wait at least 91 days before applying for any products. Sometimes when you open an account, if you have good credit, they might offer you a credit card right away with just a soft pull. I would suggest declining it, and I'll explain why. Once you've built that relationship, you can go in and apply for 2 or even 3 products with just one hard pull. Aim to deposit at least $2,500 as a minimum, but don't put it all in at once. Deposit small amounts over time, $100 one week, $200 another, so they see you visiting the bank and building a relationship with the bankers and tellers. Ideally, if you can, try to deposit $5,000 to $10,000 and let it season for 3 months. After 91 days, go in person and express interest in their products. Don't just ask about credit cards, show genuine interest in the bank. Be friendly, and let them know you're happy with their service. The banker may look into options and offer you products based on the relationship you've built. Do your research before applying. Right now, PNC requires a minimum credit score of around 700 for approval. They currently check FICO 9, not FICO 8. The difference with FICO 9 is that it doesn't count older medical bills or third-party old debts as heavily against you. However, you must have 24 months of on-time payments. Your utilization should be below 6%, and you should have no more than 2 hard inquiries in the last 6 months, as they're inquiry sensitive. They typically pull from Experian, but they sometimes check TransUnion as well. Make sure your credit is in good shape before applying. Visit the PNC website before going in. I suggest starting with the small business section. You'll see options to choose different credit cards. They offer various cards, so find one that suits your needs. For example, if you travel, the PNC Travel Rewards Visa could be a good choice. If you're looking for interest-free periods, the PNC Points Visa Business offers about 6 months interest-free, and the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business offers about 12 months interest-free. If you plan to use PNC's products, it helps to know which card best suits your needs. You can filter for lower interest rates or rewards. If you spend less than $10,000, there are options to fit that spending range as well. Some people prefer earning cash rewards, while others like redeeming points for gift cards. Choose what's best for you. After you've been with PNC for at least 91 days, I've seen cases where people were offered $25,000 to $50,000 without documentation. You have to build a relationship with them. Also, if you're interested in a line of credit or HELOC, PNC is currently one of the top banks for home equity products. PNC is a great bank to have in your network. Until next time, take care.